We're going to make a kingfish curry. Wonderful, wonderful fish, kingfishes, and a lovely Indian masala or gravy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. The star of the show right there, kingfish. Kingfish is a very nice, meaty fish, perfect for this. I've got 1 kg there of cut nice and thick pieces. There, I've got fresh tomatoes. There's like 5 fresh tomatoes that I've pureed. You can see they're nice and squishy. Here I've got 2 onions chopped finely, fresh coriander, 1 heaped tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, fresh chilies, quite a lot I've got in there, you can adjust that if you want, some fresh curry leaves. If you can't get fresh curry leaves, you can try and get dried ones. And then here we've got some spices. I'll explain this right now. So for the fish, which we're going to put on the fish first, we've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of turmeric. For the masala, or for the gravy, we've got 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. That is about it. This is delicious. So as you can see, I've got a mixing bowl here and I've placed our fish in there. A little bit of sunflower or a neutral type of oil in there. Some salt. And then we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of chili and the 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And as you can see, I've got my sexy gloves on. We're going to go in there, just mix this around. And then we're going to go to the cooker and we're going to fry this fish off first. And then we're going to make a lovely masala sauce. And then we're going to introduce the cooked fish back into it. Perfect. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got just a touch of oil in there just to help the fish on its way. So we're literally going to get our pieces now. And as you can see, these are, nicely thick, healthy pieces. We're going to get them in. I'm probably going to cook this size for about 4 or 5 minutes aside. We're going to be flipping it around so we get the sides done as well. But we've got some beautiful chunky fish with some lovely spices on that. Medium heat, keep turning it around, probably 4 or 5 minutes aside. Okay, so our fish is done now, we can get it out. Now you don't have to worry if you think that it's not cooked all the way through, don't worry, because there's still more cooking with this. Because this is going to be introduced back into the curry a bit later. Fantastic. Okay, so with that oil in there, let's drop in our curry leaves and the cumin seeds. Just give that a few seconds to do its thing. Just make it really infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. Now we're going to go in with our onions. And we're going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. And this is looking absolutely wonderful. At this point we're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time here. There's a video on the channel. In fact, I'll leave it at the end on how to make this stuff. I'm going to put in now my fresh chili. I'm now going to add in our powders. Let's take a look at those just one more time. Equal parts of 1 teaspoon each for this amount. Chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder you already have, but I think the separate or individual spices work out so much better. Now we go with the pureed tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, like I say, that I've put into my RoboChef or food processor or blender. Wow, it's going to be amazing. One more thing, let's get some salt in there. So the next step is we're going to stick a lid on this and cook those tomatoes down. They should give off quite a bit of moisture as well. It's going to be about 5 minutes on this medium heat. Okay, let's take a look. So off comes the lid, and some steam out there. Now that is looking absolutely wonderful. Just going to add now a little bit of a teaspoon of garam masala powder. A little bit more salt in there. And then we're going to get our fish and get that back in there. We'll turn that down to a simmer right now, nice and low. That lid's going to go back on about another 4 or 5 minutes. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat for the final time. Off comes the lid, steam out. That is looking wonderful. I mean, really beautiful. I'm super happy with this. We're going to spoon some of our masala on there. Really super tasty. Going to finish this off now just with a little bit of cilantro or coriander, and that's it, done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of fish curry love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.